Hey buddy, first of all, I want to give you a very secret method that has been passed down from generation to generation within my family and a couple of other families I know of. This secret method, a secret sauce, is a step-by-step instruction in how to sabotage yourself, how to sabotage your happiness, how to sabotage your success, whatever success means to you. Now listen very carefully, because this is a secret method. It shouldn't be repeated too loudly or to too many people, because it could destroy the world. Step number one, the thing that you desire, the thing that you really wish to do, don't do it. Don't do it. Avoid doing it. Make up as many excuses as you can, which is step number two. Make very elaborate, rational, and convincing excuses to yourself and to others. Convince yourself that you don't deserve it, that you ought not do it because of this reason or that reason. Really convince yourself. Don't be shy. Go in deep. This is a very important step. Step three. Run away as fast as you can from all the opportunities life gives you. So when a door opens up, run away. Shut it down, burn it down, hack it down. Run away as fast as you can, as if there's a bomb there. Run, my friend. Turn back and run. Make up like a... So these are the three steps. Step number one, don't do it. Step number two, make very elaborate excuses. Convince yourself that you don't deserve to do it. You don't deserve to have whatever you desire. And step number three, just run away from all opportunities that are presented to you. This has been the very secretive formula that I guess I've followed for some time now. I've been in a self-sabotaging experiment. Obviously, I had to go through all of this just so I can say this is a proven method, a proven step-by-step guide to how to sabotage yourself. Otherwise, it would be just theory. It's not theory. This is how it works. And obviously, you haven't heard much about how to do this before. So you see guides and videos and podcasts and ebooks on how to achieve success, how to be happy, how to be in love, how to float in the air, how to blah. But really, all that you need to do ever in life, from my point of view, my friend, is just move out of your own goddamn way and let it come to you. There is no need for pressure. There is no need for hustle and let's do this, let's do that, let's hustle. Just move away. Remove the self-analytical mind, which is of course not easy to do. It's simple to say, but not easy to do. So you do have to go deeper within yourself and find out the causes to self-sabotage. Behind all of this is a negative, self-defeating, false belief that you have picked up at some point in time during your upbringing, and it's a story that you subscribe to. It's a story I subscribe to. We all subscribe to different stories, like we subscribe on YouTube, right? And this story can be whatever it is. At the end of the day, it's a self-defeating story that does not serve you or me or anyone else. It's a belief built on a lie. So essentially, it's a lie that when a lie is believed, it becomes truth through our actions, through our thoughts and our actions. We live our beliefs. So I thought of an interesting experiment today, a one-day experiment. Why don't we try earnestly and as hard as we can to sabotage ourselves today? So try to do the best you can, really be passionate about it, to sabotage yourself today. Or maybe take 3 days and try to sabotage yourself 3 total days. And what I believe this will bring out is the mechanisms of your own sabotage, the beliefs and the actions that you do to block yourself from success, from happiness, from being, from whatever. It'll show you a different picture. Then it'll show me, of course, because you're a different person. And it'll reveal your mechanisms. And when they are revealed, they are in the light of awareness. And in the light of awareness, they can be transformed, transmutated, alchemized, and removed. I have no idea if this will work. This hasn't been experimented yet on me, on myself. I've just thought about this method a couple of minutes ago. So let me know. Let me know what you think. Oh, and by the way, I'm starting a daily podcast. You can listen to it while commuting to your job, work, etc. It's linked below in the description box. And I think here as well. See you soon, my friend. It's been lovely, as always.